Hi guys, this is Ben. I'm going to be showing you today how to use the Lightning App Builder to create a custom record page. So before we start, let's go over here to our accounts. Okay, these are all made-up accounts for the purposes of our video. I'm going to click on this one and we're going to go through here and take a look at how our account record page is set up. So we've got the account name up here, a few metrics, these tabs here with the related contacts and opportunities, cases, different things. Then you've got a chatter component right here. So this is how the system default record page is set up for account. But let's go and make a custom one. Okay, so we'll go over here to setup and let's type in here Lightning App Builder. Okay, you can see I've got a few other Lightning App Builder or Lightning apps here that I've already built out. But let's just make a new one and let's do a record page. Okay, so we'll click next. And we won't actually go through and make a whole record page right now. I'll use a pre-existing one to finish the process, but let's just label this one test. And you can put on any of these objects that you have in your org. So let's just do contact. Okay, you have lots of options for different layouts, but we're just going to do simple one here, header and 3 regions. Okay, and then you can see here that you've got all these different components on the left. You can visualize, or you can customize these in a lot of different ways. Customize things over here. So let's just, for example, let's put activities here. Let's put a path component right here, which you can see that when you click on these different components, they have different options over here. So if we click on the path, get different options for the format of the path, how to set up the path, configure it. You can change the component visibility. So you could say for only users of a certain profile, then you can view this component, or if the contact falls under this criteria, then that component will be visible for them. We can put some tabs up here as well. You can even add tabs and all these different things. For the purposes of this video, we're not going to do this all the way. I'll show you a pre-existing record page that we have. So let's go over to the new opportunity page. Actually, no, new account page is the one we wanted. All right. So this one has a few settings on here that are important to note. So let's see here. So we've got this one up here, highlights panel. It's got our name, a few other important metrics here and pieces of information. We have Twitter, a Twitter component here that you can use to view the Twitter info and the Twitter feed for this account to get up-to-date information about them. And then over here you can actually configure the different tabs that are in here in your tabs. So let's say like this related tab right here, you can choose what tab you want on here, and there's so many options. We'll keep it to related for now. I believe we can even, these will change based on the item we pick here. So let's just do like hierarchy. Okay, yeah, so there's a good example. A lot of different keywords, but then you pull in different components over here and can put them right in here inside that little tab. And obviously that's not a duplicate tab. We should change that one to be duplicates if we needed to. But that's that. I'm going to actually get rid of that one right there. And so we can see this is a custom layout for our account records. And let's save that and then activate it. And we're just going to assign as the org default. We're going to do for the desk and the phone user interface is going to be the default record page. And this is confirming, reviewing the assignment. We are changing it from system default to the new account page. Okay, we're going to save it. They're all saved. Now should. It might take a second to refresh, and there we go. We have our highlights panel, our tabs, and then our Twitter feed over here. So it's very customizable, lots of different things you can do. And then as a last note here, to go in and look at the assignment of the lightning record page for an object, you come over into your setup and go to Object Manager, and then click on the object you want to look at, and click on Lightning Record Pages, and this shows you the different Lightning Record Pages that you have for that object. So we've got the new account page and then one called Sales that's not active right now. And you can click on here, and you can learn more about, or you can actually edit the app right there, or you can do view page assignments. You can say, look up what type of page is assigned given an app and a record type and a profile, and that'll pull that up. And that's all you need to know about creating custom record pages using the Lightning App Builder.